Hi everyone, Mr. Paterson here from Doveton Live here at Doveton College. Today we're going to be looking at the ukulele and how to tune it. So a ukulele has got 4 strings. And each one of these strings is tuned to a different note. The top string here is tuned to a G note. The one below that is a C note. Again, we have an E. And finally, this is an A string. Now, if your ukulele is out of tune, it won't sound right and you won't be able to play the songs that you want. So we're going to show you today how to tune this. There are a few ways to do this. First of all, you can make up a song to help you sing and to then tune your ukulele with. You might sing, "My dog has fleas, cake is not good, pizza is neat," whatever you like. You can make up your own song, try and sing the notes, and then we can use our tuning pegs to tune the ukulele to make it sound right. Secondly, you can use this. This is called a tuner. You can use this to tune a guitar or a bass guitar, ukuleles especially. And the way these work is you put them on top of our ukulele, and as you play a note, it will show you what the note is. Just like before, we want this to be G, C, E, A. Next, we can use a smartphone app. Now, the one that I got just before for free is one called Ukulele Tuner, like the fish. Now, this one's great because it's free and you can use it in 2 different ways. The first one, you can press the string to try and make your ukulele sound the same as this one. Or if you put this app on auto mode and play your string, it will track along. I might put this one out of tune for you. It will track along and show you where your string is and what needs to be done. When you get it right, it turns green and gives you a little thumbs up. And finally, with the permission from an adult at home, you can use the internet to help you tune this. So if you go to YouTube and type in ukulele tuner, you will find so many different resources there that will show you the strings and the sounds you want them to make. Hope this helps. Cheers. Have a great day.